You're watching Ride the Teacups, and these are the top 3 things you need to do before booking your next Disneyland trip. Lots of different YouTube channels and blogs have a list a mile long of things you need to do before your Disneyland trip. This video, we've broken it down to 3 major things that you will need to do to make your trip the best that it possibly can be. And it's 3. You can totally manage these. You know what else you can manage? Hit the subscribe button down below and help us out. We appreciate it. It's free. You can always undo it, but it really helps out our tiny channel. And like if this is going to be some good stuff for you. Let's jump into thing number 1, which is a tool we created for you because of how tough our trips were getting. Visit ridetheteacups.com. All of this is completely free. Once you're in, check out the icon in the upper right corner to sign in. You don't have to do anything special to get an account. You can just log in with Google and you're done. Very simple. Once you're signed in, plan a trip. Let's say that I am going to Disneyland and I'm going to go there over the summer. Once we're there, we're going to drive there, visit Disneyland on Sunday, California Adventure on Monday, Disneyland on Tuesday, and then drive home. And I'm going to go, and my wife is going to go, and little Timmy's going to go. See, little Timmy can't be Darth Vader too, so we're going to make him a different one and change his color around a little bit. You can change all of these later. Super easy to do. Just want to make it a little bit different. There you go. Wasn't that super easy? Let's check out a few of the key things that this website's going to help you do and make your life an awful lot easier. First off, you have a packing list, so let's add something to it. We know that we're going for 5 days, and 3 of those 5 days are in the park. So let's use the suggested packing list. Done. Super easy. I have everything that someone of my age will need for this trip. Now let's go ahead and add the same thing for Mrs. Teacups. We can use her suggested packing list. A couple of things happen here. We can see things that you share, like sunscreen and ponchos and white noise machine and those type of things. You don't need those per person, so it's intelligently only added it just to 1. We can also go through and add some feminine hygiene items if you need that, and those are done too. Let's add a few things to little Timmy's packing list. Little Timmy is 2. We're taking him to Disneyland because kids under 3 are free. So let's use his suggested packing list and check out what's happened here. We know that he's 2, so there's an awful lot of baby items that have been added, which is lots of fun, including some diapers, swim diapers, a swimsuit, stuffed animal toy, jacket. Now, if you decide that you don't need some of these things, like he doesn't need a bedtime storybook, you can go through and delete it. Super easy. Once you put the stuffed animal inside of the suitcase, click, he's done. Got his toothbrush packed, click, he's done. Got his shirt packed, click, he's done. It even adds things like your stroller down here and your pack and play. I can also edit little Timmy and tell him that he's 33 inches tall. And coming soon, if it's not there already, we'll have a list of attractions that he can and can't ride to help you set expectations. Now I know how much of my packing I have done and how much I still need to do. I can add my hotel information here and it'll lead me right to it. Once I get to the park, I can open it in my Maps app from my phone, guide me directly there into every single place that I have. I can add in different dining reservations if I need to, and I have this handy dandy checklist, including making sure that I make those reservations. I can call Getaway today. I want to do it tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll call ya tomorrow. We can tell the kids the day before we go. And it lets me keep track of everything that I've actually done. It's super easy, super useful. We used it on our last trip and it saved us so much headache, and we hope that you'll enjoy it too. Now, one of the things we added to our list was to call Getaway today, and that brings us to number 2 on our list, calling Getaway today to book your trip. Now, yes, many different YouTubers and bloggers suggest Getaway today because we're preferred partners with them, as we are. But if you've been following Ride the Teacups for any length of time, you'll know that we have been using them for years before we actually became a partner. So real quick, let me give you 3 reasons why you should use Getaway today in all sincerity, plus maybe a little bonus 4th one too. Number 1 is you just genuinely save so much money. We showed on a recent video a Legoland hotel. They wanted this much money. Are you kidding me? For a single night at the Legoland Castle Hotel. Well, we didn't pay anywhere near that. In fact, we paid about 40% less than that sticker price that's there because of Getaway Today. On top of the 40% less, we also got one of our nights free. So that's not an average of the cost. 40% off for the nights we paid for, plus one of our nights was free. So we paid well less than half of the sticker price for our total trip. Incredible. When we originally booked, though, there wasn't the extra night for free, so we booked it at the regular price. Later, we found out through Getaway Today's social media that Legoland Hotel was having a free night if you stayed for so many other nights. Called them up and said, hey, does this apply to us? They said, yep, it sure does. Here's your money back. And the next day, it was back on my credit card. That was a good day. That's amazing. And if you're booking for Disneyland, several of the Good Neighbor hotels right next to the park will also have a fourth night free often. And if it doesn't apply when you book but comes in later, Getaway Today will apply that for you. So you genuinely save so much money by using Getaway Today. Number 2 is that you also have peace of mind with that money that you did spend. If your plans change, if you suddenly can't go, or like we had last year at Disneyland, one of your family members suddenly can't go anymore for whatever reason. It was really simple because this happened to us. We called them up and said, hey, this person can't go. We need a refund of their Disneyland tickets, their hotel room, all of that stuff. Super quick, fastest phone call I've ever had with them. Just a few minutes, we had the money refunded back onto our credit card, cash refund in hand almost immediately. No questions asked, no hassle given. We weren't offered credit, we were given our cash back. You can do the peace of mind plan on your Getaway Today trip. It does cost a little bit extra, but it's the best money you'll spend insuring your trip. We've had to use it before on our trip, and it was, the peace that we got from actually being able to do that is amazing. Many other travel agencies won't give you your cash back. They'll give you a credit back, whether that's Disney credit or their own travel credit for later. That's not what Getaway Today does. Cash back, money in hand, people. Get control of your cash using Getaway Today. And then number 3, since you're saving a whole bunch of money anyway and getting that peace of mind, you might as well save even more. You can tell them that Ride the Teacups sent you over, and you'll save even more on top of all of that stuff that you've already saved. Which brings us to bonus item number 4. You can support our channel by doing nothing more than saving more money on your trip than you would have otherwise. Tell them Ride the Teacups sent you over. You'll be helping to support the channel. You'll be saving yourself a whole bunch of cash, and you'll be getting peace of mind for your next trip. So I can't speak for any of the other YouTubers and bloggers out there, but we partnered with them because we love them so much, not the other way around. We always have a link down in the description to Getaway Today, or you can call them at 855-GETAWAY. And finally, number 3 thing to do, very simple. Watch this video from our friends at Fresh Baked Disney and send it to every single person who's traveling with you. David from Fresh Baked is the GOAT of what is happening in Disneyland, the timings of the rides, how to beat Genie Plus, how to use Genie Plus, how to rope drop, how to close out the park. He's there almost every single day, and he brings these things to help you on your trip. We love him. He doesn't know us. We love his channel, and you should too. I will rewatch this video before every single trip and send it to my wife, mom, mother-in-law, whoever else is traveling with us. This is a big one. It's how to beat Genie Plus. What it's really about is tips to minimizing your time in line to maximize your time in the park, and it still holds up a year later. It's incredible. We actually put this to the test in our rope dropping Tomorrowland video. We hit, I think it was 6 rides, including Space Mountain twice, mostly e-ticket attractions in an hour. That is just amazing. It's unbelievable. Hey, that's it. Super simple and easy. This video is amazing. You know what? This is so good. I'm going to put a card right up here and then also put it in the end card. You know what? This Tomorrowland video that we made a while ago, we'll put that in the end card too, so that you can check out how amazing these things are. You should subscribe to Fresh Baked and enjoy his content. And by the way, since we told you about it, subscribe to us too. We'd love to see you again. Thanks so much for watching this one. Here's all the cool end card stuff that we promised you. Hope you have an amazing trip at Disney. Let us know how it goes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time we ride the Teacups. Later, y'all.